It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer, and Aldi are back with another range of products. I personally, as of 2025, don't think that their KFC fake thing is working, because they've tried to re-release it twice now, and twice they've quickly taken it away again. So I think KFC are on to them, saying no, you can't do that, or SFC, or whoever has the ownership of that red and white striped chicken product, which probably KFC. They're just not allowing Aldi to carry on with their chicken products. So Aldi, as Aldi do, they very quickly, they don't kind of mull over things too much, they don't sulk too much. They're back with a new product. They've come out with a new range of foods. It's called Aldi Aldiner, Taste of America, and this is the ultimate American style cheeseburger kit, 477 grams. It does, for the size of the box, it does feel a little bit light. It's 2 burgers in a kit. 2 burgers in a kit. It was £5.80 to buy, so let's have a look then. Let's see what we need to do. Two brioche buns, two burgers, cheese sauce. Oh, and they're golden, they're supposed to be golden crispy onions. So that's just like some onion. Pickled onion. That's all been kind of grated, hasn't it? So what I'm guessing you do is that you toast the buns. You whack a burger in the air fryer. Oh. The burgers smell really good. They've got barbecue sauce in them. Yeah, there's barbecue sauce in the burgers. So can you, first time I'm looking at the back of the box, grill, heat the cheese sauce, assemble. I'm not grilling it. I'm not grilling these burgers. I'm going to go 180 degrees in the air fryer. I've turned it to 20 minutes, but if they're done sooner, they're done sooner. You heat the sauce. If you want to toast a bun, you can toast a bun. How soft, oh, blimey. This could be a review in its own right. Look at that. They're quite hard. Now you can probably see the date on the front of the box. It's the 7th of September. So there's a 3-day shelf life on this burger. Because I probably won't be releasing the video today. And I do get loads of people going, oh, the burger's already gone off. What are you on about, mate? The time of recording is the 7th. That's quite... I'm going to toast that. Right, back when it's cooked. This burger is ready. Let's take a look at it. Whoa. Oh. So I did indeed toast the bun. We have our burger there. It has shrunk a little bit. It's definitely got barbecue sauce on it. Oh, I'm gonna go cheese sauce first. And the reason why I'm going to go cheese sauce first is because I want the onions to stick. Wow. Whew. I want the onions to stick to that cheese. So hopefully, yeah, that works. That works. Yeah. More. And then top of the bun. And that's what you get for, what did we say? They were £5.80 for 2 burgers. So that's sort of like £2.65, something like that. That's what Aldi think you're going to get. Here is the reality of it. So the burger's definitely got barbecue sauce baked into it. You can smell it, you can taste it. So the question I want to ask myself is, this is supposed to be like a diner. This is supposed to be like a takeaway. Is it as good? That barbecue sauce on the burger makes it incredibly juicy. The cheese sauce is quite nice. It's a burger van style burger. It's a make it at home style burger. Something you'd get on the barbecue in your garden. This is the point though. Is it easier and cheaper to forget about the fancy cardboard box? I get the fancy cardboard box, by the way. I get it because it makes a weekend fun. If you're trying to do something on the cheap, then you could probably buy this for your kids and let them be marketed at, if that makes sense. Let them kind of like feel the moment, enjoy their sort of Saturday night with their American style burger. That's the point of this. I don't think this burger is aimed at a 46-year-old man who understands how the world works. Do you know what I'm trying to say? It's more aimed at teenagers, youngsters, kids who want a bit of fun. Maybe it's movie night in the household. Maybe you've got a movie that you want to watch. And you bought these burgers for some fun. That's what this is based at. Personally, myself, I buy a pack of 4 burgers, a pack of American cheese, a cheap onion in the fruit and veg aisle, fry the onion while the burger's cooking, open up your cheese, get some barbecue sauce, which you've probably got in your fridge, and do it that way. But that way is less fun. That way, for a kid, For a youngster, is less fun. This is more... What do they say? What's the saying? That the date night in or the night in, the Saturday night in, you know, you can see it's quite flashy, it's quite interesting. They do other things as well, lots of other Aldiner things. Ooh. Wow. That bit me. That was hot. What? I'm gonna rate it. Ooh, that really bit me. Whoa. It's an interesting concept from Aldi. It's quite expensive for 2 burgers. That's my point. But the flip of the coin is that it's nowhere near expensive as to go to your local takeaway or go to your local burger bar, which they're going to charge you 11, 12, 13 pound a burger for. So there's that sort of weighing everything up thing, isn't there? Do you buy £5, £5.60, £5.80 for 2 burgers, £3 a burger, which is quite expensive for a supermarket burger? Or do you take it as a bit of a taking it on the chin? It's cheaper than going to a restaurant. And it's some fun. It's some fun for your kids. Good concept. Will I personally buy it again? My kids are grown up now. They're past all of this stuff, so probably not. But I get the concept, and I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. 7 out of 10 from Real Ale Craft Beer. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.